Good afternoon. Here we have the mighty Mazda Bubble 121. The vehicle is driven down from Bundaberg. Previous customer with a different vehicle. He's got this one now. And it's currently got a 2¼ inch cannon with a big outlet, but hey, cannons only always look bigger than they really are. Never much fiberglass in them, and sometimes just welded mild steel to the top of it, but hey, anyway. Oh, no little mushroom heads there to hold it on either. So what he has asked me to do is to go from here. Well, the initial inquiry was, oh, can you straight pipe it back to the cannon? Well, straight pipe, no. Oh, but I also want a resonator. Well, okay, you're getting further away from the idea of straight piping. What we're going to do is go from the catalytic converter and inspecting the inside at the same time, building it back in a larger size, 2¼ inch, putting a long torpedo resonator in there and building it back to here. But hey, 1.5 inches there now anyway. Let's have a bit of a squeeze. Why? Because I'm curious. Yep, 38 millimeters, 1½ inch, and we're going up to 2¼ inch. You originally thought it was 2½. It is not, but it's going to give it a deeper tone. You'll be hearing before and after. I'm just showing you the product before and how it will be when it's finished. You will see and hear. So just hold that thought, and I've got to undo it, remove it, but first spike protectors must be put on, and I don't want to go spiking people's computers and things. They are stainless studs, they are locking nuts, they are always a problem. We'll see how we go. I've allowed X amount of labour. Even if it takes longer, I don't care. I'm not going to charge more on this one. Alright, stand by and we'll have a bit of a look at what it has in the way of a power plant under the hood. Right, 1995, made by the Mazda Motor Corporation, Toyo Kogyo. So, getting ready to go for it. This is a 16 valve engine. We have a life support engaged, fully protected on this 1995 beastie. Right, let's have a bit of a look and a listen to how it sounds before. With an indicated 166,900 and change kilometres on the dial. Oh, fire in the hole. Very deep. How are we out the back? So here we are at 76 decibels at idle. We'll give it a bit of a rev and see how we go. Okay. As Grasshopper kills that engine now, we do in fact come up over 90 decibels without doing too much about it. What's it like after? So even with the resonator, but with a bigger pipe, heaps deeper. I'll put it up, show you underneath it. But first, a quick comparison of pipe work. Very different. Now there we go. Mounted up with a new plate, press band, 15-inch long torpedo resonator, perforated style, forward into a modified plate, which is a 2¼ plate. The catalytic converter, not so healthy. But anyway, not here for that. Deliberately keeping it away from the fuel tank and the handbrake cable up here. And there we have it. All the back, all the same, just the middle. wet road, cars everywhere. Hey, he's not going to get into it. Why are we Kellogg's? What do Kellogg's make? Rice bubbles, as told by the owner of the vehicle. See, I'm not being disrespectful. Loves the little bubble car. Been here before. Whole family's been here with bubble cars and then gone on to different sort of little cars. Who needs a V8 when you enjoy a 4? Some people like 8s, some people like 4s. Hey, some people like 3-cylinder cars. I had one, it was fun. Why am I going to remove the cannon? Because apparently it's not loud enough. Okay, I will do as I'm asked to do. I believe the car will now be excessively loud. Customer is always right. Customer wants it, customer gets it. Okay, ceasing transmission of electrons to the engine. Oh, that's better. Oh look, it's got an automatic banana displacer. Different. Okay, let's get her up in the air and commence. What the gentleman would like is actually 2 pipes coming out the back and no rear cannon. Some people call them blast pipes. Okay, well, my idea of a blast pipe comes from the army and we used to put it on our shoulder and shoot things out of it. Anyway, let's get her up and we'll have a bit of a look. Interesting looking air filter set up there. Perhaps a little over tightened. We have the spike protector attached. Up we go. Back in February, this vehicle came in and had the system made from the catalytic converter back through and up over and joined to the pre-existing cannon. With the extra resonator in there and the cannon not really loud enough for the person. So what we're going to do today is cut it back here somewhere and just have 2 pipes. The vehicle will have that resonator as its only silencing device. We'll get into it now. My, a bit of a hole there now. Well, we'll have to do something about that. So there we have it, the twin outlet pipe work, all bracketed up, 3 brackets, exactly what the customer wanted. Now, let's see how loud it is. Alright, I'll drop it down, start it up. You can have a listen. All care taken, no responsibility accepted for being excessively loud. If it is, it might not be. Find out together. Well, if you can hear me, that's at idle. What do we like directly behind it? Couple of revs perhaps. Might wait till they drive off. Now departing runway 3. Again, each to their own. Well, I can see why people call them blast pipes, but anyway, job done to customer specifications. Thanks for watching. See ya.